Get ready. 5 seconds. Start. Bihar District Cadre Secondary and Senior Secondary Teacher Appointment and Service Condition Rules 2006. Rule 10. Bihar District Board Secondary and Senior Secondary School Service Appointment, Promotion, Transfer, Disciplinary Proceeding and Service Condition Rules 2020. Rule 16. Transfer plea that transfer is in breach of provision under Rule 10. Service condition of petitioner was governed by 2006 rules. Respondent cannot rely on 2020 rules which came into force with effect from the date of its notification, whereas impugned orders passed much before coming into force of said rules. An order of transfer passed in violation of statutory rule or regulation will be illegal and will for that reason alone is unsustainable. Generally, transfer in government service is an incidence of service, and the courts exercising power of judicial review under Article 226 of the Constitution do not normally interfere with such decisions of transfer unless the decision is found to be beyond jurisdiction, malified, and punitive in nature. Respondents plea that because of several allegations of irregularities received against petitioner by the competent authority, a decision was taken to transfer him. Transfer of a government servant cannot be used as a cloak of punishment, since it would be malified exercise of power. There is no power to transfer by way of punishment. Impugned order set aside. Bihar Industrial Incentive Policy 2011 Capital Subsidy in CWJC 12104 of 2018 court held that state having made a promise under the policy 2011 to extend the incentive benefits to the budding industrialists, that petitioners acting on the promise have made investment and fulfilled the criteria for drawing the incentives. The state cannot deny the incentives. Writ petition disposed of in terms of said judgment and direction issued that necessary decision regarding grant of promised benefits oblique incentives to petitioner shall be taken positively. Principal Secretary, Department of Industry shall be entitled to examine all the aspects. Bihar Lab Technician Cadre Rules 2014 Rule 7 for selection of lab technicians. Minimum qualification ISC oblique 10+2 biology and diploma course in lab technician. Further, a candidate shall be awarded 10 marks on the basis of their score in higher qualification under bracket BSc oblique MSc bracket close. Petitioner, in addition to the minimum qualification having BSc in chemistry, benefit for 10 marks not given to petitioner as his higher qualification is not in the same stream or in the same subject in relation to which the post have been advertised selection procedure prescribed under the statutory rules clearly prescribes the marks to be awarded against different qualification. It is impermissible for the respondent to tinker with the clear language of the rules by issuing letters oblique guidelines. It is trite that any administrative government decision oblique circular oblique guideline cannot be supersede statutory provisions which have force of law. Rules do not mention that benefit against higher qualification shall be given for the purpose of determination of merit only to those who have BSc and MSc qualification in the same stream. Direction issued to commission to consider the petitioner's score. Stop.